Hello, little learners! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Alphabet Challenge with Wisked Wonders, where we explore the world of letters and sounds. Are you ready for a fun-filled quiz game today? Let's dive right in. Here's how it works. I'll play the sound of a letter, and you'll see a picture that starts with the same sound appear on screen. Alongside the picture, there will be 3 answers. Your task is to guess the correct name that corresponds to the sound. Are you ready to play?
B.
Is it rat, cat, or bear?
B.
B for bear. Is it rat, cat, or bear? Yes. C for cat.
D.
Is it rat, cat, or dog?
D.
That's right. D for dog.
E.
Is it elephant, cat, or bear?
E.
E for elephant. Is it elephant, cat, or fox? That's it. F for fox. Shout out your answers. I can hear you through the screen. Time's ticking, so make your guess quickly.
G.
Is it gorilla, horse, or fox?
G.
G for gorilla. Enjoying the quiz game so far? Don't forget to hit that like button if you're having a blast. And if you want to see more exciting content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us.
O.
Is it tiger, lion, or fox?
O.
That's right. L is for lion.
M.
Is it tiger, lion, or monkey?
M.
Yes. M is for monkey.
S.
Is it leopard, snake, or tiger?
S.
You got it. S is for snake.
T.
Is it tiger, lion, or monkey? T is for tiger.
O.
Is it octopus, squid, or whale?
O.
You're on a roll. W is for whale. That's all for today's alphabet quiz game, but the learning and fun never stop on Wisked Wonders. Join us for more exciting adventures in the world of learning. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.